So before I take you thrifting into Goodwill today, I thought I would share with you this gorgeous skyscape that I captured earlier in the week. I also included a clip at the end of today's video. Hey everyone, it's Jessica and welcome to another Thrifting in 2022 video. So I did only purchase one item for my home on today's trip, but it's something that I definitely can use and will get a lot of good use out of. I will share that plus a recipe at the end of today's video, so make sure you watch until the end. If you are new here, I do mainly go thrifting for home decor and things that I can use around my home. I'm not a reseller and I like to purchase things that I absolutely love and I know I'm going to get use out of. If you enjoy thrifting content like this, I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out. And now I'm going to share with you everything that caught my eye on today's trip. There were some really interesting things that I spotted today, and let me know which one of these items were your favorite. I would love to know your answers down below in the comments. So this next item definitely caught my eye right away, and if you're wondering what it is, it's actually an aluminum vintage Thai lunchbox or tiffin. My husband is from Thailand and he remembers having one of these growing up. He said his family used to take it to picnics and get-togethers and things like that. Anyways, I thought it was pretty cool and I thought I would share it with you guys. And here we have a pretty large 1980s Hager pottery statue. It's called the Lover's Embrace. It was in great condition, and I was curious as to what these sold for on eBay. And I did find a couple that recently sold for around the $50 to $60 range. And this one here was priced at only $4.19. So I actually used to have a few of these little hanging terrarium planters, very similar to these here. I kind of got tired of taking care of them and I got rid of mine, and it looks like someone else may have gotten tired of taking care of theirs as well. So the ones that I used to have were just plastic Dollar Tree terrariums, but these ones here were actually glass and they were pretty nice. So I came across this box, and inside of the box was a really cute little wooden tic-tac-toe game, and I would have gotten it to put like on my coffee table, but it was missing a couple of the wooden pieces, so I ended up leaving it behind, and the price on it was $2.98. So I almost left today's trip empty-handed, but I did spot this Pyrex baking dish that just got put out, and it looked almost new. It was $4.28. It also had handles and a lid, which none of my baking dishes that I currently own have, so I snatched it up and took it home. I also thought I would share with you guys this really easy dessert recipe that I have been seeing all over social media. All you need is 2 cans of Pillsbury cinnamon rolls and 2 cans of cinnamon apples. I got mine from Aldi, or you could also use like apple pie filling. I will have the full recipe down in the description box in case you are interested. Basically, all you do is cut up the cinnamon rolls into quarters, lay them on the bottom of a greased 9x13 pan, and then you just dump both cans of apples right on top of your cinnamon rolls. Then I just took both of the icing containers that the cinnamon rolls came with, warmed them up in the microwave for about 30 seconds, and then I just drizzled it right on top of the apples, and then I baked it in the oven at 350 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes. And here is what it looks like right after it came out of the oven. It was so delicious. Everyone in my family loved it. I'll definitely be making it more often. I'm really glad that I found this dish right before the holiday season because it's going to come in handy, especially around Thanksgiving time if I need to bring a dish to someone's house. It has the handles and the lid. It's going to be perfect. So that is everything that I found on this week's thrifting trip. And if you're new here, this is Peanut. She's my thrift store inspector, and I did get her approval on my find today. Anyways, I appreciate you guys watching. I hope this video inspires you to go out and go thrifting. You never know what's waiting out there for you. Thanks again, and I will see you next week with a new video.